Namaskar. Nowadays, hair troubles are becoming very common. Some have early graying hair, others have weak hair, thinning hair, or severe hair loss. Hair loss happens when hair follicles and strands are not nourished properly. Factors such as lifestyle changes, stress, unhealthy food habits, and the use of chemical cleanser, all these contribute to hair issues. But nature has given us a power ingredient to have long and thick hair, and that is biotin. Here are 10 unique food sources of biotin, along with simple recipes which you can easily include into your daily routine. First, we have chia seeds. Chia seeds are very good to stop hair fall. What you need to do is soak 1 spoon of chia seeds overnight. Next morning, consume them on an empty stomach and see how much stronger your hair becomes in a month. The next biotin-rich food source is sweet potato. You can roast sweet potato veggies and enjoy with some tangy mint chutney and star fruit to give your hair a natural gloss and shine. Third, avocado is another good source of biotin. A unique way to use avocado is to mash ripe avocado with a pinch of salt and lemon juice. Now use this as a creamy spread on a whole grain toast or even on your parathas or rotis. Broccoli is the next source of biotin. You can steam broccoli florets and drizzle with tahini sauce for a simple yet flavorful side dish. This is good for your appetite as well as for your hair. Next is kale. Kale gives you lots of vitamin B7. What you can do with kale leaves is sprinkle some olive oil and lemon juice on diced kale leaves. Then toss them with nuts and fruits along with cottage cheese or paneer to make a tasty healthy salad. 6. Carrots are a great source of natural biotin. You can make a delicious carrot smoothie by combining 1 carrot with half an apple and a juice of 1 lemon. This power smoothie not only improves hair health, but it's also excellent to burn fat. You can have it at least twice a week for a fast result. 7th, you can also make your own biotin seed mix for healthy hair. What you need to do is roast sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, flax seeds. Roast each seed separately or they might burn. Now mix them and eat this mix after your meal. 8th, another way to improve your biotin level or B7 is with tomato honey smoothie. What you have to do is every morning blend 1 ripe tomato to a fine juice. Now add 1 spoon of honey to this and drink on an empty stomach. This will not only help your hair but also reduce your asthma symptom. 9th, banana and spinach are also a very good source of biotin. Here is another very nutritious and smoothie recipe that's rich in biotin and perfect for a healthy hair. What you need for this smoothie is 1 cup fresh spinach leaves, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon soaked and peeled almonds, 1 tablespoon chia seed, 1 cup cow milk, 1 teaspoon honey, optional for sweetness, 2 tablespoon pumpkin seeds. To make this banana and spinach smoothie, wash the spinach leaves thoroughly. Peel and slice the banana. Now add them all in a mixer. Blend until smooth. Add honey for sweetness and enjoy. This will give you approximately 30 microgram of biotin in 1 serving. 10th, and finally, you can make your own natural biotin powder. For this, you will need almonds, dried figs, black sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and dried jaggery powder. Take all this in equal quantity and blend them together. You can reduce the amount of jaggery as per sweetness you want. Now put 1 spoon of this mixture in milk and drink it every day. Use these biotin rich food into your diet daily. This will help you get thicker, longer, healthy hair. Don't use hair products with too much of harsh chemical. These can lead to severe hair damage. Switch to natural organic hair care products to support the quality of your hair. Reduce heat styling as much as you can. And finally, remember, stress, major cause for hair fall. We must learn how to live life without stress, because stress can cause any disease, any problem, and hair fall is absolutely obvious. So, try and live a stress free life and have a healthy hair growth. Namaskar.